Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about powers.
One, two, three, four.
We all know that we can write or express any number as a base and a power. If we said, for example, number 8, let's say 8, you know that 8 equals 2 multiply itself 3 times. So we can write it as 2 power what? Power 3. Index or power, it means repeating the multiplication, So when I say 2 power 3, I mean the base is 2 and the power or the index is 3. We have some rules about these powers or indices. We will start them by the first one, which is multiplication rule. If we have, for example, multiplication between a power 2 multiplied by a power 3, we have the same base here, so that we can put on the answer, of course, we can put the same base and the powers will be added. It will be 2 plus 3, so that it equals a power 5. This is the first rule. Very easy, right? We have another example. If we said y multiplied by y squared, you would say we don't have any powers at the first y here. This y. No, actually we have power, but we don't write it. It's y power 1. So y power 1 multiplied by y power 2, it equals y power 1 plus 2, it means 3. And this is the first rule. The second rule is about division. When you ask yourself what is the opposite operation to multiplication, it's dividing. So what is the opposite operation to adding? It's subtracting. So that we can deduce that if you have, for example, a power 4 divided by a power 3, it means you will subtract the powers. That's right, you will write the same base and the powers will be subtracted, or the indices will be subtracted. It means a power 1. Do we have to write 1? No, we don't. So it equals a directly. Of course, you can express the division operation by, it's more like a fraction. One term up and one term down. So we can say x power 7 over x power 9. It equals. You will notice that the first power or the first index in the numerator is less than the second power or the second term's power. So it equals x power 7 minus 9. What does it mean? It means x power what? Negative 2. And we will talk about the negative index in another video. Okay, let's take some exercises about this topic. Let's start with an easy one. Simplify a squared multiply a power 4. It means we will multiply the same base. We have the same base in both of them. It equals a power 2 plus 4. It means a power 6. The second one is division. Simplify b power 6 over b power 3. It means we will subtract the powers. We'll put the same base and the powers will be 6 minus 3. It means b power 3. The third one is work out 4 multiply 2 power 3. Of course, you know that 2 power 3 equals 8 because you will multiply 2 by itself 3 times. But in this case, if we want to use the rules of indices, we will say 4 equals 2 power 2. So we can replace 4 and write 2 power 2. It will be 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 3. You will notice that I have changed the bases to be like each other for the rule of multiplication. Here is 2, the same, and the powers will be added. It means 2 power 5. If you want to write as a whole number without the form of a power p, it means 2 multiply itself 5 times. It means 32. Now, as usual, you will solve these questions or simplify these expressions and tell me the answer in the comments. After that, we have some other rule, the zero index. What is the zero index? If you have any base and it raised up to the power 0, it equals 1. So we can say a power 0 equals 1. You can say x power 0 equals 1. So when I say work out 3 power 0, it means, or it equals 1. I have another question for you. If we say that you have a power 5 multiply a power 6, and on the other side you have a power 5 all power 6, are they the same? The first one is a multiplication, and we had this rule before. If you have multiplication and you have the same base, then you will just add the powers. It will be 5 power, the powers will be 5 plus 6. It means a power 11. What about the other one? In the other one, it's all power 6. It means you will multiply the powers. It's a power 5 multiply 6. It means a power 30. So there is a huge difference between them. Okay, you have a power m multiply a power n, means a power m plus n. And if you have a power m all over or all power n, it means a power m n, means we will multiply them. So here in this case, if we have 2q power 4 all power 5, then this power will be distributed above 2 and above q. So we can say it equals 2 power 5 multiply q power 4 multiply 5. 2 power 5, it means you will multiply 2 by itself 5 times. It equals 32. Q power 4 multiply 5, it means 20. So this is the simplest form, 32 q power 20. Now it's your turn to solve or simplify these expressions, and as well we will discuss the answers in the comments. Here we have another simplifying problem, 24x power 4 y power 10 all over 6x power 2 y power 7. How can we do this? How can we simplify it? We can start with the coefficients or the numbers beside the letters, beside x and y. 24 up and 6 down. We want to divide them. 24 divided by 6, it equals what? That's right, it equals 4. Now we will divide the letters. We'll start with the first variable, x power 4 divided by x power 2. It's a division. With the same base, we will subtract the powers. It will be x power 4 minus 2. The second variable is y power 10 divided by y power 7. It means y power 10 minus 7. Let's simplify it more. 4 and x. 4 minus 2, it means 2. Y power 7 minus 7, it means 3. So the simplest form for this expression is 4x squared y cubed. If you have two expressions, you will simplify them and tell me the answers. Before we finish this tutorial, I will solve this question with you. Simplify 2ab all squared multiply 2a power 4 b power 6. It equals, as you see, we have the first expression or the first part of the multiplication is inside two brackets, and it raised up to the second power or the power 2. It means we will distribute this power above 2 and a and b. We can say it's 2 power 2, a power 2, p power 2. Okay, this is the simplifying of the first part of the multiplication. Multiply 2 a power 4 b power 6. Now we can multiply 2 power 2 by 2. It means 2 power 3 a. A power 2 is multiplied by a power 4. We can add, of course, the powers or the indices here. It will be a power 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 means 6. B power 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So the final result for this expression, it's 2 power 3 means 8. A power 6. B power 8. That's it. I hope you all understood this topic. Thank you and see you. Goodbye.